Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to install R in Power BI. If you are going for an advanced version of Power BI into deep analytics, then you need R in that as well as a Python. So in this video we will cover how we are going to install R if it is not available in your PC. Stay tuned for that. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to download the R installer, where you can find from this website mran.revolutionanalytics.com/downloads. There you can download the R setup files. Once you download and click on that install, it will give up this first option. This is screen. Microsoft R Open 4.0.2. Let's get started. Microsoft R Open is an enhanced distribution of R from Microsoft Corporation. It is a complete open source platform for statistical analysis and data science. So let's continue with this. And then you will get this option where you can install, and these are the options components for this R. So you can check those and then click continue. And then you need to agree the license agreement. You can read if you want, as well as this one, math kernel libraries. You need to accept this term and then continue. Once it is done, the installation will done and finish it off. And after that, when you open a Power BI file, it will open up this one, the first page, like this one. R package is required. This will comes up only if you open any of the R visuals in Power BI. So here it is asking you to install these things: ggplot2, skills, plot-t, HTML wikis, XML, gggrapple. So all these things will be installed if you just click on this install button from here. These are simple steps so you can install the R visuals in Power BI. In the upcoming videos, we can discuss about how you can use the R visuals and get enhancement of the advanced analytical power in Power BI. Stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, if you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. And if you are not yet a member of our channel, just hit the join button to know in detail about it. You will get lots of benefits out of it. So don't forget to check out that. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.